Yeah, so that's something with creating more organic sounding instruments. A trick is creating overtones using the semitone adjustment here. So 7 semitones above is a fifth above for you music theory nerds, but all we need to know is that's kind of creating resonances that would naturally occur if you were to play with a flute or an instrument in a room, and it would naturally resonate with other things, including the body of the instrument itself, which would create overtones. If we just had the sub, yeah, so you can hear there's that like nice, it's just an extra fill, I guess.